Children, all these days you have been seeing fruits, right? Today I am going to show you one interesting activity. You know what is that activity is? Preparing fruit salad. For that, what all you need I will show you. Before that, you will have to wear an apron like me. Okay? See what all fruits I have taken for today's fruit salad. Can you see? Banana, apple, pomegranate, mango, and some dry fruits and some little honey I have taken. Okay? Before doing fruit salad, first you will have to wash the fruits. I have taught you, right? See, I will show you how I will wash these fruits. Keep it here. I have taken the pomegranate. I am washing it and keeping it here. See, banana. I am going to peel this banana. So, no need of washing it. What is this? Mango. Come, let's wash it. Put in the plate. Did you see how I wash the fruits? Good. Children, I showed you how to wash the fruits. See, after washing, I have kept all the fruits ready in separate bowls. See, this is banana. I have peeled it and cut it into fine pieces. I am going to take 1 spoon, 2 spoons of banana. This is apple. This also I have cut into fine pieces. I am going to take 2 spoons of apple. What is this? Mango. See, I am going to take 2 spoons of mango. What is this? Pomegranate. I am going to add pomegranate. See, all the dry fruits I have chopped and kept. I have added almond, cashew and raisins. I am going to take 1 and 2 spoons of dry fruits. Now I am going to take honey. See, I have took 1 spoon of honey. Just pour it on the fruits. Just mix it well. And yummy fruit salad ready. You also try at home, children, and have this healthy and nutritious fruit salad.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டனையும் பிரஸ் பண்ணி விட்டுருங்க. ஏன்னா இது போன்ற வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு தவறாமல் கிடைக்கும். மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.